Hi, my name is Jim Peterson, and today's episode we're going to be prepping a pocket door frame for a job hung pocket door. First, we're going to cut our studs to length, but I cut them a little bit longer than I need. So there are a lot of pocket door frames out there that people buy, and as the stud hits the ground, there's really not positive nailing for base molding or any type of molding at all, if it's tile or wood. So in this application, when I'm making my pocket door frames in a home, I'm cutting a 2x6 that's going to go on the floor, and then the stud is going to be interlocked within this base piece. So next, what I'm going to do is cut these to length so we can prep this. So this is a board that I did earlier, and I'll show you how I laid this out. Each one of my 2x4s are exactly 3.5 inches wide. So this material is actually called Kelleher fascia material, and I will do the rough side. The reason is this will be the drywall side, this will be the inside of the pocket door. That way the inside is smooth and you can paint it out. So if you have a glass door, you can see this and it'll be nice and smooth. That's my thought process. Come over 16 inches, then mark 3.5, like so. And I'll do that for the rest of my board. So I'll mark 3.5, find 16 inches, and mark 3.5 again, and then we'll square that. Okay, so next, we have to create this notch here, and this notch. So what we need to do is find exact center of this layout mark here. So we're going to take a scribing tool, dovetail marking gauge, and we're going to find that center point right there. So what we're going to do, we're just bringing a line over, find that mark, same thing here. All right. Then what we're going to do is square over here. Then we're going to cut that part out. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to mark our studs. I did this one previously just to get all my layouts correct and made sure that when I overlap this onto the 2x6, it was perfectly flush. So this dimension here is 5.5 inches because it's going to be, my 2x6 is going to run through. So we can actually come up 5.5. Put a square line over and it should match up. And we'll be cutting this part off. So next, I'm going to be cutting halfway through my board with my skill saw. Now we cut our base pieces. So next, we're going to cut the ends where we lap over the wood. If you have a bandsaw, you can do this. If not, you just keep cutting with your skill saw, then knock out your notches, and then clean it up with a chisel. But if you have one of these bandsaws, it comes in really handy. Okay, so next it's time to clean up all this mess here. So we're going to clean up this, make it look like this. So if you don't know what this is called a router plate, and it works great for cutting mortises. And so this is what I'm doing here. Okay, that's it of the prep for the pocket door frame. There'll be a couple other items that we'll be installing later on site that goes above the door opening, but this is good for now. Thanks for watching.